In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate and use Salesforce to manage your campaigns and communicate effectively with your contacts. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open your web browser and head over to your Salesforce homepage. This is your central hub where you'll find all the immediate information and tools you need to begin working on your campaigns. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top left corner and locate the app launcher. Go ahead and click on it. The app launcher is essential because it gives you quick access to all the applications and utilities available in your Salesforce environment. After opening the app launcher, look for the Campaigns option. Clicking on this will direct you to the Campaigns section, where all your marketing campaigns reside. Now, in this space, take a moment to identify the specific campaign you wish to work on today. Choose the campaign that aligns with your current goals by simply selecting it from the list. You can now review all related details and data. With the desired campaign open, let's focus on adding the relevant context. Look for the Add Contacts button, which you should see on the campaign page. This will take you to an area where you can select which contacts you want to associate with this particular campaign. Once you're satisfied with your selections, ensure you hit Next to proceed. Next, you'll see a Submit button. Click on this to finalize adding the contacts to your campaign. This step is crucial as it ensures your communications will reach the intended audience. Now, let's prepare to send a list email. You'll want to show more icons by clicking on the option labeled Show More Icons. This expands your options and allows you to perform additional actions. Next, find and click on Send List Email. This is where you'll compose your email to the contact list you've just established. In the email composition window, you'll need to write a subject and a description. Make sure your messaging is clear and aligns with the objectives of your campaign. A well-written subject can greatly influence the success of your email campaign by encouraging recipients to open and engage with your message. Once your email content is ready, click on Preview and Send. This is an opportunity to double-check everything, spelling, grammar, and layout, before the email goes out to your contacts. After you're sure everything looks good, go ahead and click Send. If you're prompted again, just confirm by clicking Send one last time to ensure your email is dispatched. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated Salesforce, managed a campaign, added contacts, and sent out a list email. By following these steps, you can efficiently connect with your target audience and track your marketing efforts seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay organized and strategic in all your campaigns.